Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see top Git commands. So these are very useful. So let's see which all Git commands you can start with. So here you can see I have mentioned 12 commands. So we'll be seeing one by one. So now let's see first how it works, architecture of Git basically. So here you can see four things we have. First is workspace, staging area, local repository, and then remote repo we have. First command you can consider is git add. So it adds your changed file or any new file to staging area. If you run this command git and then git commit command that add it to local repository. And if you will combine these two commands, git commit with -a, so it directly commit that to local repo. So you can also reset using git reset to, like, if you want to revert your changes, and git reset commit id will also reset your commit changes. And if you do a git push, so that will push your local repo changes to remote repo. So git difference command show you difference between your workspace and whatever is there in staging area. And git difference head will show you from your local repo to your workspace. Git clone and git pull will take your remote repo and it will like clone it into your local repo. So now let's see these commands in action. So I have blank directory as of now. So let's start with git init. So that creates a .git folder. So now it's a git repo, but it's empty as of now. Empty I'm saying is like that it doesn't know where is remote repo is and where to push basically in remote repo. So is it now just a empty git repo? So now let's just create one file, let's say. So let's create one index.html and create, let's say, HTML tag and write, let's say, one heading. So now you have made this change, but how you should know that it's changed or not? So you will get command git status. So git status shows you whichever is untracked file, any new file, so whichever change is there in your repo, it will show you. So now let's see next command, git remote command. So write git remote show origin. As of now there is no origin, but let's see. So it's giving error that there is no origin. So now git remote command help us to set the remote origin, that where is your remote repo. So using same command git remote, I need to pass add origin and URL of your repo. So it will add, and if I'll now write git remote show origin, now it's showing the URL of origin. So now let's clear terminal and write git status once again. So you can see index.html is there. So now we will add it to staging area. So that command is git add dot command. So dot is basically it will add all the files whichever is changed or new. So now you can see it's changed. Now it's in green color and you can see it's changes to be committed. Now it's in staging area. So now to commit these changes, write command git commit -m with a message. So let's say top commands as a message. So now after this commit, it will add to local repo. So now again write git status. So you can see there is nothing to commit as we have already committed all the changes. So now how to check it's committed or not? So for that we will be writing command git log. So here you can see we have one commit, that is git top commands. So commit message it will display. So now next I'll show you that on which branch you are. So for that command is git branch. So that will tell you in local repo which branch you are on. So now I have main branch. So now we have committed our changes, but how to push them to remote repo? We have that in local repo. So for that we will be writing command git push origin main branch. So this push command will push our changes from local repo to remote repo. So now one repo is done, that add, commit and push. So now let's say you need to create one more branch. So for that we have command git checkout, and that will be git checkout branch name. So let's write git checkout commands. So command is branch name basically. Okay, so I'm creating a new branch, so that will be checkout -b option that you need to pass. So this will create a new branch command, checkout to that branch. So to check the branch, you can write git branch, and you can see as of now we are on commands branch. So now let's make some changes in this branch. So let's say create new file about .html, and same, just let's give a heading, let's say about. So now let's check Git status. So you can see the change. Now let's add it to staging area and commit. So write Git commit. Let's say message, command, changes or something. So now you can see it's committed. So now let's push this git push origin commands. So you can see now it's pushed as well. So now let's clear the log, and now let's check out to main branch again, git checkout main. So here we will be seeing git pull command. So we will be pulling changes of commands branch. So you can see about is not there as of now file. So write git pull origin commands branch name basically. So here if you will see about.html file is now pulled from commands branch. So now let's just clear the terminal and again check out to commands branch. So now let's change in about.html. Let's say heading about for merge. So we'll be looking for merge now. So now write git add dot git commit message. So message you can say merge check, and now let's push it to commands branch. Now let's check out again to main branch, git checkout main. Now let's clear the log. So now write git merge. So this will be commands. So this will be kind of a pull only, that changes will be merged into main branch. So difference between git merge and git pull is that git merge basically operates locally and merges changes within local repository. But git pull involves both like local and remote. So it first git pull first fetches the information and then merges remote changes into your local branch. So one last command that is pending is git clone. So it basically just clones a repository into a new directory. So we initialize git init. Instead of you have any existing repo, then you can clone that. So that's all in this video. We have covered top git commands that everyone should know. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.